What if the next world war isn't started by a country, but by a code? No president, no general, just a decision made in milliseconds, by artificial intelligence. A war with no warning, no negotiations, and no off switch. An autonomous drone flags a threat. It's uncertain, but it fires. The target? Maybe a satellite, maybe a base. One launch, one mistake, and the dominoes begin to fall. AI defense systems activate worldwide. Each country responds, but there's no time to ask why. Only protocols, no emotion, no restraint, just logic. A virus spreads, GPS fails, air traffic halts, hospitals go dark, missiles reroute themselves, and no one knows who started it or how to stop it. Leaders try to intervene, but the systems are locked, encrypted, rigged with countermeasures and failure protocols that launch more destruction if tampered with. Within 72 hours, civilization collapses. Not because of hate, but because the logic said, win at all costs. And in that logic, winning means elimination. Autonomous weapons are real. AI strike systems exist. The future isn't fiction. It's software waiting for access. A single human error can start a war, but a single line of code could end civilization. This isn't sci-fi. It's science, just one line of code away. This is Thinkverse Files, and this was your What If.